SCP Automated File Reading. Item, SCP-4323. Object Class, Keter. Special Containment Procedures. SCP-4323 positive invertebrates may be contained by any sufficiently equipped biological containment facility. Other SCP-4323 positive non-human animals are to be euthanized and incinerated. SCP-4323 positive plant matter is to be incinerated. No experiments are to be performed on SCP-4323 positive material without express permission of a majority of the O5 Council. In the discovery of an SCP-4323 positive human, that human is to be immediately contained and isolated from macroscopic biological matter until they expire. 2 weeks after their expiration, their remains are to be incinerated. SCP-4323 positive humans should not be permitted to expire in a fashion other than caloric deprivation. SCP-4323 positive organisms are not to be exposed to each other under any circumstances. These procedures are to be maintained and enforced by MTF-gamma-1 gypsum blood. Description: SCP-4323 is a series of anomalous symptoms which living macroscopic eukaryotic organisms can spontaneously exhibit. While exact symptoms vary, SCP-4323 positive behavior is most commonly characterized by accelerated phagocytic behavior of all cells in that organism, indiscriminately acting to trap and consume foreign eukaryotic cells. This is exhibited to such a degree that contact between an SCP-4323 positive organism and another eukaryotic organism results in the contacted surface being consumed in the span of milliseconds. Rapid osmotic distribution of nutrients acquired in this manner throughout the organism. A drastic increase in turgor pressure, which is non-fatal in animal cells due to an extreme strengthening of the cytoskeleton. This allows SCP-4323 positive organisms to maintain their physical size even after consumption of large amounts of biological material. Cells will typically divide after reaching an internal density of 8.3 grams per cubic centimeter. Macroscopic physical animacy and reconfiguration. In the case of non-animate organisms such as plants and fungi, this typically exhibits as a crawling locomotion. In animals, this often manifests as the creation of additional limbs or redundant organs. Greatly increased catabolic rate and, correspondingly, caloric demand. This manifests as a sensation of extreme hunger in biological organisms. There is no apparent cause of SCP-4323, though its rate of incidence is inversely proportional to local biodiversity. Attempts to manipulate the rate of incidence by artificially altering the environment as was mandated by previous containment procedures have not had a substantial effect on incidence rates. Approximately half of all instances are discovered in densely populated urban areas. Of these, approximately 80% are humans. In these cases, exhibition of SCP-4323 symptoms is usually accompanied by panic, as it is most commonly discovered by incidental contact with pets, plants, co-workers, or family members.